Hey everyone, Miss Allison here. I'm going to quickly show you how to use the comment feature on Google Documents, as that is a part of your assignment. So in Google Docs, you can see your text here, and you have the option to make a comment on any piece of writing. So for instance, I'm going to highlight part 1 here. On my bar right up here, I am looking for this box that has a plus sign in it, and it says add comment when I hover over it. So boom, right there, I'm going to put my comment, and you can see a little icon of myself pops up, and I can include my comment. So this is where you're going to want to put those comments that we're prompting you to do, and the directions above specify what those are. But for example, I can say, "This is great," and then I'm going to leave my comment. Now it's really important that you leave the comment there, because we are going to be checking this as a part of your formative grade to make sure you're understanding. If you click on this, it is going to get rid of it. If you accidentally type something that you didn't mean to, you're going to click these 3 dots, we call that the skinny snowman, and you can edit, delete, or link to the comment. You really don't need to do anything with the link. If you do delete it, it's gone. Okay, so just be warned of that. So you can edit it and say, "Yay," right? And then click save. And then please do not click this, because once you click that, that means it's resolved and it's gone. When your teacher is going to the document, we are looking for those comments that you have made here. Okay, so please make sure that your comments are clear and you are not deleting them. Alright guys, good luck!